How to assemble the Nilfisk Core 140. Step 1. Place the machine face down and insert the lower handle. Step 2. Insert the lance holder, then screw into position. Step 3. Attach axle and insert screws. Step 4. Clip wheels into place. Step 5. Remove cap and screw on tap adapter. Step 6. Attach cable holder. Step 7. Attach pin to the top of the machine. Step number 8. Attach and screw in the reel handle. Step number 9. Connect handle and screw into place. Step 10. Insert nozzles, chemical bottle and hose into place. Step 11. Place battery in lance. This is only available in the in-hand power control only. Step 12. Connect lance into place. Firstly line up, push in then twist, then release. Connect the nozzle to the lance. So now that you're all clued up on how to put your machine together, it's now time to get out there and start cleaning. And don't forget to head on over to Cleanstore.co.uk where you can find an array of accessories for your car and your home.